Now for these questions, we're subtracting a decimal number with tenths from a whole number. So first, we have 7 minus 0.7, and it's important to understand that the digit before the decimal point is the ones digit, so we have 0 ones, and the digit after is the tenths. So we can set this out as a column subtraction, but we have to remember to line up our digits, line up our place values. So the 0 ones has to be written underneath the 7 ones from our whole number. Now, 7 is the same as 7.0. We can always write 0.0 on the end of a whole number because all the 0.0 tells us is that we don't have any tenths. So we haven't changed the question, but now we can subtract using column subtraction. The first thing to do is to copy down the decimal point into our answer. So you can see here that our decimal points are all lined up. Now we can use column subtraction. We can't do 0 minus 7, so we go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 10 minus 7 is 3, and 6 minus 0 is 6. So our answer is 6.3. Next we have 5 minus 3.2. Again, we can write this out as a column subtraction, making sure that we've got the 3 ones from 3.2 written directly underneath the 5 ones that we're subtracting from. Again, 5 is the same as 5.0, so we can write 0.0 on the end of our whole number, and now our decimal points are lined up, so we can copy the decimal point down into our answer. Now we can use column subtraction. So we can't do 0 minus 2 using the column method, so go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 10 minus 2 is 8, and 4 minus 3 is 1, so our answer is 1.8. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.